9 things that are still a mystery to scientists. 1. What is life? We know life when we see it, yet no one has been able to define it. There are hundreds of conflicting scientific definitions, but for every one, there's a creature that doesn't fit. Are fungi alive? What about viruses? 2. What did dinosaurs sound like? In movies, dinosaurs always roar, but this is not based on any scientific consensus. Sound is generated by muscle and cartilage. Unlike bones, these tissues don't fossilize, so there's no way to tell what sounds the creatures made. 3. What is the universe made out of? Most of the matter in the universe is invisible and intangible. It's also undiscovered. Scientists call this unexplained stuff, dark matter. There's 5 times more of it in the universe than normal matter, but to this day, no one knows what dark matter is. 4. How did dogs evolve from wolves? Wolves and dogs are genetically very similar. They share 99.9% of their DNA, yet they are very different animals. Scientists still don't know what caused wolves and dogs to diverge. This occurred some 20,000 years ago. One hypothesis is that humans domesticated wolves. It would have been a painstaking and dangerous process. Another is that wolves domesticated themselves. They ventured closer and closer to human scraps. 5. Why do we sleep? The human body is regulated by a sleep-wake cycle. We spend nearly a third of our lives snoozing. Our bodies repair themselves during sleep, but not all living organisms require sleep. So then why do we? One theory is that sleep plays a major role in the brain's plasticity. 6. What happens inside a black hole? Black holes are places of extreme gravity. Their gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. It's impossible to say what happens inside a black hole. Hawking theorized that information from within a hole remains outside. It's called the event horizon and is potentially accessible. 7. Where does our moon come from? Scientists once assumed the moon formed like other planets did. Debris left over from the formation of the sun, clumped together, but then astronauts brought samples from the lunar surface. Geologists discovered an unexpected fact. The moon is covered in a special kind of rock called anorthosite. It's bright and reflective, which is why the moon looks white. This rock is thought to be magmatic. That means the moon literally melted at some point. But what poured so much energy into it as to cause it? 8. How will everything end? We know that the universe is expanding. Galaxies are moving farther away from one another. That means that the universe had a beginning. This led scientists to the idea of the Big Bang. It also led them to realize that the universe may eventually end. There are plenty of models and theories, but nobody really knows how it will happen. 9. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? British researchers made an important discovery. Eggshell formation can't occur without a protein found in chicken ovaries. But there are other types of egg-laying species. Their existence on Earth predated chickens. That means the egg may have evolved before the chicken. So we're back to square one.